The number one reason why lemons are an amazing food is because they dramatically help your kidneys out. If you've ever known someone that's had a kidney stone, you know how painful it can be. Well, what happens when you have a kidney stone is it's actually a lack of what's called citrate. It causes a calcium buildup. It causes these buildups of minerals within the kidneys, which can make it so that you have a kidney stone. Lemons produce more citrate within the bloodstream, which means that you can prevent kidney stones from forming. But not just preventing kidney stones from forming, you can prevent that calcium buildup that normally slows down your kidney. And it kind of makes the kidneys that they have to work a little bit harder, which means that the kidneys can't do their regular job, which is to regulate fluid. So if your kidneys aren't able to regulate fluid, then that means you can have swelling because your body's retaining water, or you might be dehydrated more so. And then you also will find that you don't get thirsty as much because your kidneys aren't communicating the way that they should. So simply by having some lemon in the morning, you will find that the stress comes off your kidneys. You'll find it a lot easier to drink water. It just seems more palatable. And to me, that is the most important reason why you should have lemon, because we are not getting enough water.